Hello friends, welcome to Doclaw Travel Couple. This is episode 4 of Kerala series. Today we are going to explore Thekkady. We left from our Munnar homestay at 9 am as the distance to Thekkady is around 81 kilometers, which would be around 2.5 hours journey. We choose the Rajakkad Cardamom Hills Road to explore the cardamom plantations. The drive is filled with stunning landscapes, narrow and steep roads. So stay with us to enjoy the scenic drive to Thekkady. On the way to Thekkady, we could see many spice gardens. The road condition throughout the journey was good. Only at some parts we encountered potholes. We could spot this beautiful river flowing in full spate. As we moved towards Thekkady, we visited this cardamom factory where we were shown how cardamom is washed, dried and packed. We purchased few packets of cardamom. This is the washing machine to wash the cardamoms. There are dryers to dry the cardamoms. The green pods after washing is put in the dryer for about 18 to 19 hours to completely dry. The aroma of cardamom which we sensed was worth visiting this place. So if you are near Thekkady or on the outskirts of Thekkady, do try to visit a cardamom factory. These are the dried cardamoms. The roads were very steep and requires good skill of driving. As you can see, both the sides of the roads was fully covered with cardamom plantations, and the aroma emanating throughout our journey towards Thekkady is a memorable one. If you are traveling towards Thekkady from Munnar, then do try to go on this road to enjoy the aroma of spices. The entire journey towards Thekkady was climbing steep roads and getting down the roads like a seesaw. The view of cardamom plants with cardamom pots. The cardamom pots is seen on the ground. Few kilometers before entering Thekkady, we saw this huge Lord Ganesha statue. Just before entering Thekkady, we met one man who asked us to follow him to visit Spice Garden. He took us to this Green Valley Ayurvedic and Spice Garden. Entry fee was 100 rupees per person. This man was explaining different Ayurvedic herbs and its uses. The place was good. They have a outlet where you get all spices, chocolates and Ayurvedic medicines. Once you enter Thekkady, you can find many such spice gardens. One can visit any one of them. After having lunch from here, we moved towards our hotel which we had booked very near to market area and Periyar Tiger Reserve. We booked our stay at Coffee Inn Hotel. It was a good budget hotel. Details will be left in the description box. The hotel had a very antique look and was very well maintained. This is a small room tour of our hotel room. The room was compact and very nice. The back side of the hotel is touching the border of Periyar Tiger Reserve and we can easily spot wild animals from the hotel compound. Evening we had booked the tickets for Kalaripayattu and Kathakali dance. We booked the tickets through online. The link will be left in the description box. When you are at Thekkady, do visit the Kalaripayattu and Kathakali dance. Experience elephant ride, Periyar wildlife boat ride. These activities should not be missed when you are at Thekkady. The tickets were priced 200 per person for each show, so we paid around 800 rupees for both the shows. Kalaripayattu is an Indian martial art form. The details about various forms of Kalaripayattu is explained very well during the 1 hour live show. We booked the 6 to 7 pm Kalaripayattu show and 7 to 8 pm Kathakali show. Each show lasts for 1 hour. Do book the tickets priorly as they get filled very fast. Book via your hotel or through online. After finishing the Kalaripayattu show, we went to watch the Kathakali dance show. Kathakali is the Indian classical dance form mainly based in Kerala, and it is associated with storytelling in the form of art. It is communicated to audience through its facial expressions, movement of hand and foot with music and narration in the form of story. Do book the tickets priorly as they get filled very fast, or book via your hotel or online. The thrill of Kalaripayattu and happiness watching Kathakali dance is once in a lifetime experience. I would say not to miss these shows, and it is worth every penny. After we watched both the shows, we had a dinner and returned to the hotel. Thanks for watching.